What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the Babalian Money Show. Today, we're tackling the big question I get asked all the time. How can I actually earn more money online? Forget the get-rich-quick schemes and the flashy promises. We're going to dive into real, actionable strategies that you can start using today to build a legitimate income stream from the comfort of your own home. Now, before we jump in, a quick but important note. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and consider your personal financial situation before making any decisions. All right, let's get into it. The first, and perhaps most accessible, way to earn money online is through freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are gold mines of opportunity. Think about the skills you already have. Are you a great writer? A graphic design wizard? Do you know your way around a spreadsheet? Maybe you're a social media pro or can edit videos. People and businesses are constantly looking for skilled individuals to help them with short-term projects and ongoing tasks. The key to succeeding in freelancing is to build a stellar profile. This is your digital storefront. Use a professional photo. Write a compelling bio that highlights your expertise. And most importantly, showcase your best work in a portfolio. When you're just starting, don't be afraid to price your services competitively to land your first few jobs. Positive reviews are like currency on these platforms. Once you get a few 5-star ratings, you can start gradually increasing your rates. Remember, it's about delivering high-quality work and communicating clearly with your clients. That's how you turn a one-off gig into a long-term relationship and a steady income. Next up, let's talk about the creator economy. You're watching this on YouTube, which is a perfect example. Creating content isn't just for big movie studios anymore. Whether it's through a YouTube channel, a blog, a podcast, or even a popular TikTok or Instagram account, you can monetize your passion. The primary way people think of is ad revenue, like the ads you see on these videos, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Affiliate marketing is a huge one. This is where you recommend products or services you genuinely love and use, and you earn a small commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique link. It's a win-win. Your audience gets a trusted recommendation, and you get compensated for it. You can also create and sell your own digital products. This could be anything from an ebook, an online course, photo presets, or digital planners. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and you can sell them over and over again with minimal overhead. It takes work up front, but it can become a fantastic source of passive income down the road. Now, let's shift gears to something a bit more hands-on. E-commerce? You don't need a giant warehouse to start selling products online. Thanks to models like dropshipping, you can run an entire online store without ever touching the inventory yourself. Here's how it works. You set up a storefront, for example, using a platform like Shopify. A customer buys a product from your site. You then pass that order along to a third-party supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. Your profit is the difference between what the customer paid and what you paid the supplier. The challenge, and where the real work lies, is in marketing and finding a winning product. You need to identify a niche, build a brand, and learn how to drive traffic to your store using things like social media ads or search engine optimization. Another e-commerce route is print on demand. If you're a creative person, you can design t-shirts, mugs, or posters. When someone orders, a company prints your design on the product and ships it for you. It's a low-risk way to sell physical goods with your own unique spin. Okay, let's talk about leveraging the knowledge you already have. Online tutoring and coaching have absolutely exploded. If you're an expert in a particular subject, whether it's math, learning a musical instrument, fitness, or business strategy, there are people out there willing to pay for your one-on-one guidance. Websites like Wizen or Ched Tutors can connect you with students. Or you can market your own coaching services directly through social media and your own website. This is a fantastic way to earn a significant hourly rate because you're selling your expertise, which is incredibly valuable. It's not passive, as it requires your direct time and energy for each session, but it can be extremely rewarding and financially lucrative. The key is to be able to clearly demonstrate results and build a reputation as someone who can genuinely help others achieve their goals. Finally, for those with a bit of a nest egg and a higher risk tolerance, we have online investing and trading. This is a vast world, from stocks and bonds to cryptocurrencies and ETFs. Platforms like Robinhood, Webull, and Coinbase have made it easier than ever for the average person to start investing with just a few dollars. The potential for returns is high, but so is the risk. This is not a get-rich-quick path. Successful online investing requires a tremendous amount of research, a clear strategy, and the emotional discipline to not panic sell when the market gets volatile. A great starting point for beginners is often low-cost index funds, or ETFs, which offer diversification and are less risky than picking individual stocks. Please, if you explore this path, educate yourself thoroughly. Read books, watch reputable finance channels, and never, ever invest more than you are willing to lose. This is a marathon, not a sprint. So, to recap, we've covered freelancing your skills, creating content, and monetizing your passion. Building an e-commerce business through dropshipping or print-on-demand, selling your expertise through online coaching and the world of online investing. The most important thing is to just start. Pick one strategy that genuinely interests you and aligns with your skills. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus, learn as much as you can, and be consistent. Building an online income stream takes time and effort, but the freedom and flexibility it can provide are absolutely worth it. It's about building a better future for yourself, one step at a time. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today on the Babalian Money Show. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to take control of your financial journey, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have so much more to cover. Drop a comment below and let me know which online income method you're most excited to try. Until next time, stay smart and keep building.